So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. I am Megha, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a DIY aloe vera hair mask which will help in stopping your hair fall. It will give you a shine to your hair, and as well as it will work as a very good conditioner for your hair. Okay, talking about the advantages of aloe vera is very good for your skin. It is very good for your hair. It really stops the hair fall. It works as a very good conditioner, and I use a aloe vera gel instead of a conditioner that you purchase from the market. I use aloe vera gel instead of it, and it works really well as a conditioner. I don't use conditioners anymore. I use aloe vera gel instead of it, and it is not at all time taking. It only takes 5 minutes that your normal conditioner also takes 5 to 10 minutes. Then it is very good. It is a natural way of getting a good and shiny smooth hair without applying any chemicals. Okay, but in this video I'm going to share with you a DIY hair mask for anti-hair fall hair mask which will help in stopping your hair fall. So if you have watched my previous video in which I had shared with you a DIY anti-hair fall plus hair growth tonic that was of Arla, Rita and Shikakai. So in that video I had mentioned that I will be sharing something DIY related to aloe vera as well. So here I am with this video, and so this video is divided into 2 parts. This is the first part, and in this part I will be sharing how to make this hair mask, because so that the video doesn't get much longer. And in the next part I will be sharing with you how to apply this hair mask and after effects of this hair mask. Okay, so and one more thing, if you have not watched my previous anti-hair fall DIY, then just go and watch it, because it was really good and it really works for hair fall as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. This hair mask you will be needing an aloe vera. This is enough for my hair length. You can take it as per your hair length. Actually you have to apply this at your roots, so this much is enough for my hair. You will be needing onion juice. I have kept it ready so that it does not take much time, and a half cutted lemon. So let's get started. You have to cut the ends so that you remove all the just cut all the ends. You can use any method of extracting the aloe vera juice. You only need aloe vera juice to be extracted, right? And just cut the end this part till I will be cutting it till here, and this I will be using it. So I'm just going to cut it into 2 halves, and I will be removing the last part. You can extract this juice by any method you prefer. You just have to extract the juice, right? But make sure that you're using this kind of aloe vera, not aloe vera which you have buy from the market, because if that doesn't work, you will say that this DIY is not working. But trust me, this step ideally works. So you have to use this natural aloe vera, not from the market, not one from the market. Now you have to extract the juice. So for that, what we will be needing is a bowl, and take the aloe vera piece. You can see it is so thick and all. So just rub your knife very gently through the aloe vera piece, and the juice will come out automatically. You can also blend it. Okay. Is ready. This much is enough. Trust me, extracting this much aloe vera gel from aloe vera plant is not easy. It is so slippery and sticky. So now you have to put the aloe vera gel into the onion juice, and you have to you can see it is super slippery, and you have to just keep a little bit for yourself because you're going to need it afterwards. You can see it is like yuck. Okay, this much is enough. You will be needing it afterwards. And now you have to mix this aloe vera gel and this onion juice really well. Okay, now we are going to squeeze our lemon. If you have dandruff problem and anything like that, you can squeeze this lemon. Okay, my hands are slippery. So yeah, I have squeezed all the lemon, and here is our aloe vera juice, aloe vera, onion and lemon juice is ready. Now you have to apply this in your scalp. I will be showing this application in my next video, so you can go and watch that video as well. So yes, that was all how you have to make this hair mask, and this is quite time taking process, so I do use this only on Sundays, and the rest of the days I use that Aloe Vera Shikakai because it is super quick and it really takes very less time. Okay, if you really want to know how I use aloe vera conditioner, and it is not time taking, trust me, it will take you 5 minutes only. Okay, so comment me down in the comment section below. I would love to share that video with you as well. Now application of this mask I will be sharing in my next video, so that video doesn't get much longer. But if you don't have time, then yes, you can just see that video and see this video and just pause. So what you have to do is take this mask, aloe vera hair mask, and apply it on your scalp, and rest of them at your hair ends, and that's it. So yeah, that is for my today's video, and for more such videos please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press that like button as well, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.